Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am very much fine, alhamdulillah. So it has been so many days I didn't upload any lecture. Actually there was some issues with me, so that's why I didn't upload any lecture. I'm so much sorry for that. Okay, so in today's video we are going to start a new topic, that is list in HTML. Okay, so we'll discuss what are lists and how we create the list in HTML. Okay, so let's not waste the time and start the today's lecture. So first of all, we should know what are lists. Basically in a list we just listed the items that are somehow related. Okay, we group the items that are related. For example, we have a list of the fruits. In a fruit list we just list the all the names of the fruits. Okay, so what are we doing? We are just grouping the items that are related. In on the other hand, we have a different list. For example, we have a list of the vegetables. In that list we have listed all the vegetables of the all the vegetables. Okay, all the names of the vegetables. So that's how we create the list. Okay, so that is list. Okay, so what are the HTML lists? Basically HTML lists allow the web developers to group a set of related items in a list. Okay, so that is the same thing, that we want to group a set of related items in a list. That is a list. And same as the HTML list allow the web developers to group a set of related items in a list. Understand? So basically in HTML there are three different types of lists that we created in HTML. The first one is the unordered list, the second is the ordered list, and the third one is the description list. We will discuss all these three types of lists in detail. Okay, so let's first discuss what is the unordered list. As the name describing you the unordered list, all the items in the unordered list are unordered, they are not ordered. Okay, what does it mean? It means that the items in other unordered list are not ordered. For example, जब हम लोग कोई लिस्ट देखते हैं तो उसमें क्या होता है कि आइटम्स जो होते हैं ना वो ऑर्डर्ड किस तरीके से होते हैं, हम लोग नंबर के ज़रिए उनका ऑर्डर दिखा रहे होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट नंबर पे ये आइटम आ रहा है, सेकंड नंबर पे ये आइटम आ रहा है. तो दिस इज़ द वे दैट वी यूज टू show the items ordered. Okay, but in the unordered list we just not use the that category to indicate the items. Okay, we just mark the items with the bullets. That's how the unordered list is looked like. For example, bullets are the small black circles. By default, the items in the unordered list are marked with the small black circles. That's why they are called as the unordered list. They are not, the items are not ordered by default. Okay, so that is the unordered list. Okay, so the tag we use to create the unordered list is the UL tag. U stands for the unordered and L stands for the list. So this is the tag that we use to create the unordered list. Okay, so for example, if we talk about the vegetable list and the list items in the vegetable list, the list, what are the list items? The list item is the names of the names of the vegetable. For example, the capsicum is the list item, the green chili is the list item, and all the names of the vegetables are the list item. Okay, so to indicate these list items we use a tag, that is the ULI tag. L stands for list and I stands for list item. So the list item. Okay, so to indicate the list items in the list, to create the list items in the list, we just use the LI tag. So these are the two tags that we used in unordered list to create the unordered list. Okay, so these both tags have the starting tag, the opening tag, as well as the closing tags. Okay, so again repeating that the items in the unordered list will be marked with the bullets. Okay, by default. Understand? Let's see the example of the unordered list. After that you will understand it more clearly. Okay, so as you can see in your browser window, this is the example of the unordered list. Here the items in the list are marked with the bullet sign. Okay, as you can see here the items are marked with the bullet sign, not with 1, 2 and 3 categories. Okay, so that's how we create the unordered list, और इस तरीके से हमारे पास unordered list होती है. Now we will discuss it in practically, that how we create the unordered list in HTML by using the Notepad++. Okay, so I'm opening the Notepad++ to create the unordered list. Okay, so let's open the Notepad++. So I hope I have opened the Notepad++ and I am now creating the unordered list. I have just given the title of unordered list because I am to the web page because I'm creating the unordered list. Okay, so the first thing that you have to keep in mind that the tag that we use to create the unordered list is the ul tag, the opening tag and the closing tag. Okay, so now uh, I want to write the list items, and the tag that we use to write the list item is the li tag. So here you can see how I am creating the list items in the list. Okay, so the list item I am writing here are capsicum. Okay, so I'm closing it here. Okay, another list item I am writing here is green chili. I am also closing it here. Okay, I am writing here another list item. Okay, so what item to write here? Okay, the next item I am writing here is the bitter gourd. I don't know that I am writing the correct spelling or not of the bitter gourd. Okay, so I'm just closing it here, /li. Now, so I just created the list. Okay, so I'm just saving it from here, and let's see the output in the notepad plus plus, sorry, in the browser. So as you can see here, I have created this list and the items are marked with the bullet signs. Okay, as you can see here, so this is the example of the unordered list. So this is the way that we use to create the unordered list. The tags that we use are the ul for the unordered list and li for the list item. Okay, so the second list that we are going to discuss today is the ordered list. Okay, so let's discuss the ordered list. Okay, ordered html list. Okay, so an ordered list starts with the, first of all you should know what is the ordered list. Basically in the ordered list, the list items will be marked with the numbers like 1, 2 and 3, or they will be indicate with an order. Okay, so the tag that we use to create the ordered list is the ol tag. O stands for the ordered and l stands for the list. Okay, so this is the tag that we use to create the ordered list. Each list item start with the li tag. Same as the unordered list, the list items will be created here, will be written here with the tag that is the list item li tag. Okay, so in the ordered list, the list item will be marked with the numbers by default. As I already told you, the items in the ordered list will be marked with the numbers like 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so let me show you the example of the ordered list. After that you will understand it more clearly. Okay, so as you can see here, the example, the first item, second item, third item and fourth item, this is the list item and all the items are marked with the numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is showing me the order of these items. I already told you all the items in the ordered list are by default ordered. Okay, so they are ordered by default with the numbers. Okay, it's like 1, 2, 3 and 4. आपको ये एक order दिखा रहा है कि first item जो है वो first number पे है, second item is coming on the second number, and third item on the third number, and fourth item on the fourth number. So you can see the order of these list items. So the tag that we use to create this ordered list is the ol tag, and the list items will be denoted with the li tag. So let's not waste the time and open the notepad plus plus and create the ordered list. Okay, now I am changing this title as the ordered list because we are now creating the ordered list. What we have just to do is we have to remove it from here, and we have to write here only the ol tag. Okay, ordered list. इसको भी यहाँ से रिमूव करके हमें यहाँ पे ओ एल लिखना है. सो बस इतना सा काम करना है हमें. दैट्स इट. हमारे पास एक ऑर्डर लिस्ट क्रिएट हो जाएगी. लेट्स सेव दिस एंड सी द आउटपुट इन द ब्राउज़र. ओके, आई एम जस्ट सेविंग इट फ्रॉम हेयर एंड ओपनिंग द नोट ब्राउज़र. to see its output. So as you can see here, इसका यहाँ पे अब हमारे पास ordered शो हो रहा है. Ordered शो हो रहा है कि कैप्सिकम जो है वो 1 नंबर पर आ रही है, ग्रीन चिली is coming on the second, and but bitter gourd is coming on the third number. Okay, so it is showing me the order of these vegetables. ठीक है, so that's how we create the ordered list in HTML by using the OL tag, and the list items will be created by the LI tags. Okay, so I hope you understand the today's lecture. The third type of the list is the description list. We will discuss this list in the later video, in the coming video, or in the next video. Okay, so I hope you understand the today's lecture. If you have any query, you can ask from me without any hesitation. I will be there for you. I'll be answer any of your queries. Okay, anytime you can ask from me without any hesitation. So that's it for today. I hope you understand the today's lecture. Okay, so I'm just stopping the recording here, and kindly like and subscribe my channel. You have to watch my videos from start till the end, otherwise you will not understand what I am going to teach you, what I am trying to teach you. Okay, so this is the HTML series. Inshallah, after completing the HTML series, we will start the CSS series as well, and after that the JavaScript series. Okay, so that's it for today, and Allah Hafiz. I'm stopping the recording here.